Hey there, Express Maintenance family. Just wanted to share with you guys our support channel. Here at Express Maintenance, we've been working really hard on doing some software updates. We're expecting some big ones to come out here soon. And so we wanted to do a preemptive strike so that if you guys needed to do updates or you guys needed training or implementation or any kind of support just to maybe set up a mobile app or something like that, I want to show you guys the proper channels to go through. So as you can see right now, we are looking at the Express Maintenance website, and we have several different ways that you can contact us on here. But the first and primary way that you want to contact support, the best way is going over here to support and then hitting submit a support ticket. So just go to expressmaintenance.com, hit submit a support ticket. And here's why this is so important, because in order for us to know if you have an active support license, we have to check out your customer number and compare that with your expiration date. And then we also have to know what version of Express Maintenance you're on, because if you are asking a question about a specific bug or issue that maybe you are experiencing, we may have already fixed it, and then it'll be real easy. We just send you a, hey, submit an update, and that should take care of that issue. So to streamline everything, we have you fill out this form. It just takes 30 seconds, and then our support staff get this form, and then they will respond to you really quickly. They're very, very quick. They're very, very professional. And so this is the best way. Of course, you can call us. Here's our number, 888-571-8556. You press 1 for support, 2 for sales, 0 for the operator, and that's going to help you out as well. You can also submit an email to one of 3 email addresses for support. You can just do general info@expressmaintenance.com. You can do support@expressmaintenance.com, or if you have an account or sales question, you can do sales@expressmaintenance.com as well. I would also suggest that you do check out our new website. We just launched or updated our website to include more things about Express Maintenance, our hosting services, Express Request specifically, the mobile app. Plus, you can get some insight into our implementation strategy and the services that we provide there, as well as any software training and update support that you might have. So there are some resources here as well. We have our blog, which we'll be adding to more and more. We put on our website a way for you to request a feature or an enhancement. If there's something that you believe that will help us help you, like right now, we had a bunch of requests for a dashboard, and that's coming out soon. And so that was a result of you guys submitting requests and saying, hey, we would love to have a dashboard to track some of our main KPIs. So, and then of course you can request CMMS training and download our system requirements for IT or whatever. So I hope that's helpful. Please call us, please email us, submit that support ticket if you know you're going to need some kind of software support to expedite everything. That streamlines everything and is going to help us help you and serve you better. Thank you for your loyalty to Express Maintenance. We want to continue to provide a better product for you over time. And if there's ever anything that we can do to help you, please let us know. Thanks.